guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Now guys, magawa kami ng pancake sa inalaga. Yes, baby.
That's the onion.
Ay, ay. Yahoo. Yeah, talking. Go up. Be careful. Yan guys, ito ang aking alaga. He will make one.
Oh no!
He's the one to making an order.
Ito.
Yeah.
Very good.
Hi, baby. Hi, baby.
You. Guys, this is a perfect crack.
That's the perfect crack or no? It's not tissue please. It's not the perfect crack. You are
What is?
that's
It's like a
mistake.
boat.
Wala. Yan, tingnan nyo guys, ang aking alagang guwapupi. Here's handsome, mashallah. Someday, he's the one to make pancake if Nani can hear me last time. Use the tissue. Tissue ne.
Nagkulat.
Don't make this, baby.
It's fun inside. I cracked this one.
Yes, I know. Be careful, baby. Ano iyahan ko yung mga gusto mong kuha kay gusto niya ipakita sa video. Ano interesado na sa mga ganito. Ay.
Break it.
No. You can eat like this. One time. Not many times. Hawakan mo lang. Iyahan mo na ipakita mo. Nice.
There's some cracks.
Okay, don't make your dirty your clothes, baby. This is egg. Okay. Now, next. You can mixing.
Now what?
Mix
Get the mixer.
This one.
Keep it. Huh?
It's okay. No problem. We can... Ay, keep it din. Keep it din eh. Ignorant ito.
No, I
This
want the small mixer.
Ay,
Kayo. Sabi na ng huwag eh.
Yeah,
Sinasag na to.
So, you make good. Eh, there is a skin.
There's a shell. It's mixed with the shell of no.
No.
This one good. You can use this one. Okay na. Close. Step by step. Okay, next is the powder.
Let's cut
Yeah, no need ka. Put all.
all.
Yes.
Is this?
Nagdadala tayo sa kiran niya din.
Oh, pwede. I can open big.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Oo.
Ay, dudumugin ka ng mga lahat ng bata.
Super mixer.
Yes. Mix. Ay, uyan niya. Kapit pa sa uyan niya. Ayan, diba? Yung sa laga ko na. Okay, waiting for...
Ay, natapon na.
Ah.
Ayan, next to you.
Will make it looks like cookies.
Open na pala niya. Ha?
It looks like cookies.
Cookies?
Wow.
Ayan na. Everything after you mix.
I was taking all the powder.
Okay.
Hmm.
And what is the open first? This one you use?
No.
Okay,
Oh,
because
that's
you should open with the make open with.
Tutusukin niya. It will waste you. You should open it.
well.
May
Yan
idea
lang.
talaga siya. Oh.
Marunong yan na. He's genius guys. And he's gwapo guys. Para sa malaking ano, no? Mashallah. Ay, siya yun.
Oh.
Parang laro na siya eh.
Oo, may kasama laro na yan.
Ayan. Ayan guys, tingnan mo guys, oh. Go.
You're just like make pigpee. See? Tapos yung gatas. May ano kasama yun.
That's it, ha? One only. Just not one only. Okay? No need more because it will not become see?
You good?
Yeah. It's good. Too much. Water.
Wow.
How maybe I will add too much water. I will add a powder.
Then we don't count.
No need. No need.
It's okay.
Oh.
Did you ever make like this before?
No, but what I do?
Hindi yan
So
malap.
we can
Malapot.
cook. Next time we will make perfect.
That powder.
Huh?
No powder.
No more powder. No problem. You can cook this one. This is good. Inani man pancake sa Pinas. Sa Plasaw. It's a good problem. Thank you guys. Yan na guys, oh. Andihin mo may sa pork pancake na guys. Mix.
I think that's
Asa ka na? Batang isa rin dali.
this one.
No.
Which one?
Batang isa asa ka rin yan.
No, I need that one. It's on the pan.
This is good. Isa. Oo, be careful ha. Ay, naku mga guys. Ang alaga ko ay continue sa paggawa ng
Paano?
Where is the pan? Wala din mga pan din. Mga pan. Uy,
That's the pan.
uy. I'm searching. Asa nang ang pan, ne? Ay ng mga pan. Ano tong isa ka?
Nasa ilalim yan.
Galing. Bibi.
Okay.
Oil on.
Mama, nilagay mo sa ilalim.
Ah. Kasi hindi ko siya biyak sa akin. Tingnan mo. Kusnado kayo. Hindi ka mahulog. Hari man siya, hari.
Ari pa rin.
The pan should go like in the middle or somewhere else. And it's not my fault.
What?
But look, look, it's straight, right? It's straight when I go.
Can I try?
It looks like cookie.
Yeah, like cookie.
Yes. Like this.
2 minutes, 1 minute ha. Then put the First we should make
Now it looks like Now it looks like pancake, actually, not the brown. Right?
It's a cupcake. Okay, start to pouring the what?
Okay.
Okay, like this.
Sorry. Perfect.
I know you are very, yeah, very nice. Inshallah.
Another perfect.
Good job! Good job, you. You're perfect making pancake.